Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Cop Cam Central. All right, and the title of the video is how to escalate a simple traffic stop into a forced arrest. Okay, Key West, Florida. All right, so let's see what they're talking about. I don't think I've ever reacted to any of their content, so let's see what they're talking about here.
While on routine patrol, a police officer observed a gray Kia making a U-turn with blacked-out rear passenger and rear window tint and conducted a traffic stop. After explaining to the driver the reason for the stop, he began to be argumentative and refused to get out of the car.
How you doing, sir? Officer Osborne with the Key West. You mind rolling that window down for me? The passenger window? The reason why I put you over is because your tint.
My window?
Yeah, your window tint. You got your license, registration, and proof of insurance?
So I got a question like, so last month, before a couple months ago, so the police stopped me for the windows. He told me I don't have problem for the back there. You have a problem for the front.
Yeah.
I'm going to Miami, I take it off. Not, he don't give me, he just talking to me for the windows. He's not talking to me about the front and the back. He's talking to me about the front. He tested.
You got your license and registration?
I give you. He tested. I go into Miami, I take it black. I just put
okay, this tint's illegal. License, please.
No, because the back there is good.
Do I need your license?
The front is okay.
I need your license, registration.
I give you license. The back is okay.
All right.
But the front is good too. It's not illegal.
I don't think it's a smart idea to talk back right now, because it's just a tint ticket. Really, for the most part, is really when you get a tint ticket, it's like they kind of call it a fix-it ticket, where a lot of times if you get the tint taken off or you get it, or you go to the doctor, get you a note, saying that you need the tint because you can't see. Hey, that's a pro tip right there. You better get you a doctor, okay? Get you a doctor, all right? And he gonna sign off on it and say that, it's hard for you to see. Let him know, you know what I'm saying? So that way you can have your tints. I just gave y'all a gem. A lot of you guys probably didn't even know that. But anyways, if you don't got that, a lot of times, the cops are just gonna give you a fix-it ticket. They're gonna give you a court date, and then they're going to, if you get it taken care of by the court date, then you don't have to pay anything or whatever. Me personally, I always just pay it. I don't get them that often. But I always had tints on my vehicle. I'm in New York. They illegal as heck. Okay. But I'll just pay it. It don't bother me. You know what I'm saying? I'll just pay the whatever it is. I think it's like $1.50 or $1.75 or something like that. And it is what it is. You know what I mean? So.
And your registration?
I just give you license, sir. That's it.
I need your registration and insurance.
Turn the car off. Turn the car off.
Turn the car off.
Turn the vehicle off.
For what?
Get out of the car.
Yeah,
Get out
what?
of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Exit the vehicle.
For their safety. That I can see that coming. That's for their safety, because you doing too much, moving around, turning the car on, turning it up. You're like, nah, you look like you gonna run. So I can see why the officer kind of upped the ante a little bit.
Exit the vehicle. Exit the vehicle.
I give you the license.
Loud verbal order. Exit the vehicle.
What?
Step it up, Randy.
What?
Get out of the car.
Okay, what?
You're under arrest. Get out of the car.
What? For what?
You're under the arrest.
What?
Get out
For
of the car.
what?
Get out of the car.
Hey, Khaled.
Out.
Out. No, out. Go.
Out.
Get out of the car.
No. So for what?
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Go ahead, come.
For what? No.
Step back. We'll talk to you in a minute.
Okay.
711. We're securing him now. We fought.
First of all, back her up. Why is she standing right behind the police officer like that? The partner needs to, he needs to back her up. She needs to back on up, because with that, you don't know what, if somebody is standing right behind you like that, you don't know what they're capable of. You don't know if they're gonna try and reach for one of your things while you wrestling to arrest the guy and stuff like that. She could be behind there plotting. I'm sure she's just there to calm him down, but you don't know. That's why you always want to have good crowd control.
Come on. Sit in the car, please.
Okay.
Get your ID out, ma'am. Oh, look at that. And you hand over your notice of suspension. Going to jail for that, too. Did you know your license is suspended?
No.
You don't even have the paper in here.
No.
Let's go.
No. Listen. Let me explain you.
Let's
Let me explain you.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh, let me explain you. No. You anything on you?
My license is not suspended, sir. It's not.
Next time the cops tell you to do something, you do it.
No, because I talked to him.
Get out of the car, get out of the car. Go, ma'am, go.
Joe, you supposed nice too. You supposed nice too.
Hey, just say you're sorry, man.
You supposed nice, bro. You supposed nice.
Take a seat. Do you want your wife to have the money, or do
That's my money.
you want your wife to have it?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Go ahead.
But I'm talking to them, you know?
Put your feet on.
Before when the police stop me, they say like give you ticket.
Who are you? You're his wife?
We're living together. I have two boys with him. He's my.
Okay.
He's my. I'm not.
Why was his license suspended? For child support with you?
No.
With somebody else?
He just paid the child support yesterday.
Okay.
But the kid is not my. Is not yours.
His license is suspended? His argument is didn't want to get out of the car.
No.
Wanted to argue
No,
about
he just-
this tent,
he just
which is
like-
illegal.
He have the receipt.
Tell
He
us
just
this
paid
is okay.
yesterday.
That's obviously black.
No, 100%. Yeah, so what do you cash? You want me to put it in his property or?
No, she can have everything. She's got to raise his kids.
Here you go.
No, it's not my case. You know. Let me explain to you. Yesterday he's just go to pay the child support. Let me ask for the receipt.
What? Why he going to jail?
No.
What? So he got pulled over for tent and being suspended. Okay? Maybe he fixed his license. Doesn't show fixed. His biggest problem right now is when he was told to shut off this vehicle, get out of the car, he don't want to listen to lawful commands.
I know,
We have the right
I
to
know.
tell someone to get out of
I
a
know.
vehicle.
But yesterday he just
And then
paid
to
the
fight
child
us
support.
the whole way out the car like he's in charge, he goes to jail. And he's lucky I don't tow this and ruin his life.
Can I call somebody because my English is not very good?
Well, we got a Creole speaker available.
But the license is not suspended.
Call 100. Call 1, are you available?
Because he needs to pay yesterday, he go pay yesterday.
Okay.
Can I ask him for the receipt, please?
The what?
Can I ask him where he put the
Hold on,
receipt?
I got someone coming who speaks.
He can't come.
100. Can we call your phone for a quick translate?
But you see, for the window, the front it was like that.
Yeah, he can't have it on the rear either.
Oh, but the police said they can just put the front out.
Yeah, maybe
but
that was
one
that.
is not a problem.
Maybe that was that cops thing.
Either way, you're still in the wrong, okay? You're trying to justify saying, "Oh, it's good for the back, but it's the front is the problem or whatever." Either way, you're still in the wrong, okay? Because you have your windows tint all around. So whether the other cop said that, the front is the problem and the back is good, whatever the case may be, you're still in the wrong because all the windows are tinted. Okay.
It's like, see this? You can't even have it this far down. The front window tint is before the line. There's a line that says VS1 line on it. That's below. This is illegal. This is too far down, that black tint. Can't have that.
Ma, you don't know that.
You searching?
Yeah, just money. She got the money.
You're good with her taking your car, or do you want me to tow it?
Not tow it.
Okay,
Just have one back on one.
Car, yes or no?
Yeah, just because why?
No, just over here. Just over here.
I know you weren't.
I don't argue.
But he paid yesterday. He was paying
She's got a learner's,
yesterday.
right? And then,
Yeah, learners.
Okay. Do you want me to have her call somebody? She's got a learner's. She can't drive.
Where you live at, maybe he can follow you home.
Me? For
Yeah.
what?
So we can make sure you get there safe. You're not supposed to drive
No,
without
no,
an adult in the
I
car.
know. I'm driving. Let me call somebody. Come pick
Yeah,
up.
that's fine.
Yeah.
So remember, you're stopped. Look at this. This is limousine
Yeah, all the way,
tint.
yeah.
I don't even need to put a tint reader on this to tell you. You can't see through
Yeah,
this
no,
at
yeah.
all. He's got this tint. He thinks that he's good as long as he doesn't have these tinted. We can't even see him, but this is below the VS1 line or whatever it's called, US1 VS1 line. That's illegal too. All right, we're gonna head out. You'll make sure she gets out here safe. Let's stop the line. We're going to be issuing you a criminal citation with a court date. Failure to sign will result in another charge. Are you going to be willing to sign the citation, acknowledging understanding, not an admission of guilt?
I don't speak English.
Okay.
I need to interpret.
So you're refusing? Okay.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.